This one, there's supposed to be vintage things at it. It was on yesterday, and today's the last day.
Okay.
And it's only on for a couple more hours, so.
Oh, okay.
Oh, is that right there?
I think so.
Okay. So, I'm hoping they're anxious to get rid of stuff. Oh, these two lamps.
Oh, look at those.
That's, kind of rusty. Well, depending on the price.
I will take a look.
Yeah. People are afraid to rewire. Not me.
Yeah.
$5. Yes and yes. Do you need a belt?
I'm good.
Okay. But yeah, we'll take these, hey?
But I might need
Hearts?
some hearts.
Oh.
No? Okay.
You want those?
Here, I'll just get rid of this.
We'll take your lamps.
Keep a suitcase.
Yeah. What's that?
Together. This is keep a suitcase. You don't
Oh, I see.
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was a belt.
Yeah. Oh no.
Well, it could be, I
You
suppose.
could be, I guess.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, we'll take these two lamps.
Sure.
And then we'll just keep looking here in case somebody else comes eyeing them up.
Warm out already.
It is. It's nice though.
In the
We have to remember how cold it was this winter.
Yeah, I know. But I can't handle heat. Like, yeah.
I'm the same.
I like it to be really cooler.
Yeah.
Spring and fall. That's my deal.
Oh, this will get too.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Just needs a little bit of love, I think.
Yeah, that lifts right off.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Yep.
Yeah.
Well, that just needs a little bit of.
Okay.
It's okay. SK1 Summer.
Oh, yeah.
Those are the original. They're not knockoffs.
Yeah.
My daughter was collecting them.
I don't know about that one. I don't know.
That's not for him though. That's for you.
I know, but he has to
maybe
smell
Oh,
me.
he has to smell you. Okay.
Did I get you?
Yeah. I don't want you to.
Oh, yeah. It's nice.
I think I may have had this one before.
I don't mind that.
Yeah. What's that one? Are you smelling them all? Oh, it's Beyonce. What does Beyonce smell like?
What's this one? This is Faith Hill.
I can't smell it.
I know. I can't smell it either.
Oh gosh.
Other arm.
I'm gonna be all the smells. The next garage sale, they're gonna be like, "What's wrong with her? Why does she stink?" I like that one.
But it's a little more expensive.
Thing, right?
Well, you know, we're buying a few things. There might be some negotiating room. I don't know. What does Beyonce smell like?
That one's all right too.
Oh yeah.
None of them are musky, so
Nope.
I'm liking them, and they're kind
I don't like
of kind of
smell.
fruity
Yeah.
and sweet.
Did we try these ones?
I don't
Oh.
think so.
Mariah Carey.
Oh
Oh, I don't know if we like what she smells like.
So Lisa, you should.
no,
you should
No.
come
no,
in here
I'll leave
now.
that one.
Yeah.
And
Does Faith Hill smell good?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I'll spray it in the lid a little bit.
Okay.
care.
Yeah.
I don't know if that
Kinda
would smell very good on me.
perfumey. Maybe it's.
Oh, now he's putting it on
I'll
too.
put it on.
Yeah, what the heck?
Smell pretty for a while.
No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. Sorry,
Of course,
I put
you
that on.
sprayed the one that doesn't and smell there. No, I don't think so.
It's okay, but I think the three you picked out are probably my favorites there.
Okay.
Okay, so you're at $82. 75. Because this is a good deal on perfume. Like really.
Sure.
This is yours too.
Yes.
Enjoy that.
Thank you.
And my lamps, I've had them forever. I was always going to do something and I thought, no, I won't
She'll rewire them and
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know. I have one in my house that's nicer than those, and I'm gonna redo it.
20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75.
Great, guys. You enjoy the rest of your
Thank
day.
you.
Thanks.
You as well.
We will. Thanks.
Yeah.
have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you for coming by.
Try all the perfume. Oh, this.
Oh,
That's a cute one. Oh, look at the big Coke guy.
Santa.
Yeah. That's a big one. Okay, we'll grab the
Grab our
lamps.
lamps.
Yep. Where should we put them in the back? Like back? Or back?
They might, wherever they fit, I think.
I don't know if they're gonna fit in the cab. Do you think they will?
They might. On top of everything.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I should. Oh,
You need a free Christmas tree? Mr. Artsy Fartsy?
Uh-oh.
Ugly little tree, but it actually is nice when it all open. Do you need it? It's free. You can make a thing out of that. You know,
A wreath?
A wreath.
do they all the things
They
come
come apart.
out?
Is it all there?
But they
Is it
come out.
missing any?
It doesn't just
Not
fold up.
individual.
Oh.
Oh, it does fold up. The top part comes off, right?
Oh, it's 2 pieces.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, like this.
They.
comes off.
Oh, yeah. Okay, but they stay in there.
Oh yeah.
They
These stay in there. See, they just
do
move.
they? Oh, yeah. They just fold up.
Yeah. Look at you. Could be artsy. It's free.
You're always looking for more Christmas trees.
Yeah. Okay. Talk to me into it.
Okay, good.
Gonna try and get everything in the truck here.
Glad you came here.
Yes.
So we are.
So
we are
am I.
full. The truck is full.
Oh God.
Thanks. A free tree, that's just what you needed.
Well, I only want the ones that can. Yeah.
So have to stick it with her other 8 trees that she's got.
Well, it's the kind I like. Those
I know.
fold up
yeah,
ones.
I know. I'm just bugging you.
Yeah. Fill the truck Saturday.
Yep, it is.
So. Yeah, we got garland and now we got a tree.
Yeah, that's right. We did. This isn't our first Christmas pickup today.
No.
Oh,
They're really in there.
it worked.
Yeah, you got it. We just about ate the first one there. Oh, don't want to crush that.
There's extra leg for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we're really going now.
Okay, take care.
You too, thank
ya.
you. Wow.
Okay. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Is your camera still on?
Better be.
Oh my God.
Yes, it is still
Oh,
going.
thank God. Yes. Now I'm paranoid about it. You know me, I like to be paranoid about a lot of things. Yeah, if you go to a store and look at the price of perfumes, you might die.
No, I know. They're $100 for 100 mils. It's
Yeah.
$1 a mil.
Well, it's probably more than that now. That was back way back when. Well, I guess maybe it was 80 bucks.
Yeah, it's $1 a mil at the 100 mil level. If you're buying the 40 mil, you're looking at like 60 bucks for the 40 mil. Mm-hmm. Whereas the 40 mil used to be 40 bucks or 100 mil for 80 bucks.
Yes, that's what it was, yeah. It's expensive though.
It is really. So you got some good stuff for 50 bucks, for 60 bucks for all those perfumes?
Yeah, she gave me a little bit of money off. What was it supposed to be? 83 and
83 and she's 75, so you got $8.
Hey.
Not the best deal in the world, but
It's $8.
they didn't have to give you any off.
That's right. But they don't want it either.
Yeah.
So it's like,
I was hoping maybe for 70.
yeah, me too. I was gonna, and then I was like, it's $5.
Yeah, really in the grand scheme of things.
Because she did, she's like, because you're getting like
A good deal on the perfumes already.
Yeah.
And I mean, that's true.
It is true.
They are selling them for probably half or less than they pay, especially when it comes to that Calvin Klein one. 12 bucks.
But it's half gone. It's
It
not
is half
like
gone.
It's full.
That's true.
But that's a good one. And that's a unisex one. You could wear that one too.
Yeah, probably.
Both of the Calvin Klein ones. We got one the other weekend too.
Yes, that's right.
This one, today is the first day and it's on tomorrow.
Okay. And we're almost there.
27.15. 15. 43.
Oh yeah, there
Probably
it
where
is.
those kids are. 35.
Park in the shade here.
Sure. Hello. You're so quiet. Yeah, I just saw her too. This is linen spray. Do you like the smell? I don't know if you do. Not necessarily.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It smells
I
fresh.
don't know how much it is though.
Cooler in here.
That's how much it was. Supposed to be. An aphrodisiac.
I don't know about that.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, a couple bucks or something.
Yeah, I don't know how much it is. How much is this
Oh God, I don't
linen
know.
spray?
What is it? Oh, this is 50 cents.
Okay,
Okay.
that works.
Sounds like a deal to me.
Yep, me too.
Our linens are gonna get so sprayed.
Oh yeah. Totally.
That shit's gonna be sprayed.
Oh, we're gonna spray the hell out of those linens.
Why you gotta make it sound dirty? God.
It's just a talent.
You stay in the truck from now on.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Spray the hell out of those linens.
Oh yeah.
They will be. Okay.
Partridge?
Yeah, this is partridge. Got that linen spray.
Yes.
Gonna spray those linens.
Spray the couch. Spray all the farts out of the couch.
Yeah.
That you are drilling in there.
I don't think that is true.
It's true.
I think we both know who's drilling the farts into the couch. It's not me.
It's you.
No more cherries for you.
14.
You're not allowed to eat cherries anymore.
14.
Hey guys, thanks again for coming with us on another great week of picking. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. It's a great way to support our channel, and it will help push this video out to people who may not know about us yet. And we love reading your comments too, so leave us a comment down below, and I will personally heart it myself. And if you haven't yet subscribed, get down there, click on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get notified for every new video we put out. Thanks again, guys. You know we love you. We'll see you next time. On to the next.